The train，请所有乘客下车。
I'm at Disneyland! Hello! Okay, thank you! Lush. Saan tayo unang pupunta? Ang passport natin ay manggagaling sa Main Street. Saan siya? Sa Main Street daw. Sa People. Nakakuha tayo ng unang stamp! There's a parade! Lumayo-layo na tayo sa may parade. Punta tayo sa balik sa agenda. Ang agenda ko today ay hanapin natin yung papuntang ano muna tayo. Papunta doon kala Tarzan. Teka, hindi ko na naman sure kung nasa tamang lugar ako. Feeling ko ay, kasyogod ha. Pagkapasok ay kakaliwa. Tama. Okay, tama. May sense of direction tayo. Hahanapin natin kung nasan yung stop. Ayun. Hello! Hi! 27.
Thank you. And you may find the next week outside.
Thank you! Natin. Outside daw. Outside. Okay, we got the magical press going here. Instruction 3. Cannot freaking see it. Hi, excuse me. Thank you. Okay, now I wanna go to Grizzly Gulch. Oras na para mag-rides hanggat wala pa tayong kinakain. Okay, let's go. Now entering Grizzly Gulch. Ayun. Ayan siya. Ayan sila. See that? That's where I'm gonna be. So, ayun, ang stamp. It's right there. Grizzly Gulch. Ayan. Then, and it's here. Sayang, hindi ko na nakunan. But I had a very, very wholesome interaction with the kid. Yung katabi ko sa food area. Super cute niya lang. Binigyan ko lang siya ng magnet. Then, nung nagpe-prepare na ako to leave, nabata niya ako ng lollipop. Apaka-cute. Sayang, hindi ko nakunan. Back to the agenda. Pa-passport muna tayo. Tapos, siguro mga after 10-15 minutes, tsaka tayo mag-Winnie-the Pooh. Ayun, nakita ko na yung isang passport. Page number 13. Punta na tayo ng Winnie-the Pooh. I also have fast pass dyan. Digital download. Ayun pala yun. Yung libreng photo pass. Kailangan magpipicture ka muna sa mga character or like photo station. Anyway, so we're here. So Winnie-the Pooh. Hello!
Oh, sorry, this DC Premier Access does not include
Not
the
included?
Winnie-the-Pooh.
Okay, alright. It's okay, thank you. Okay lang, ayoko naman din talaga yun. Akala ko lang meron eh. Okay na tayo kay Grizzly Mountain, Mystic Manor. Si Hyperspace and Iron Man will go there in a bit. Ant-Man, feel her magic. Okay, now I can go to Frozen, my favorite. Let's go. Pupunta na tayo ngayon sa exciting part, which is... Oh, shoot, I'm on the other side. Ay! Oh! Ay, nasa maling side na tayo pumasok. What's sad is, wala pa akong nakakasalubong na kahit sinong character. As far as I know, yung... Ayun, nakita ko na yung stamp. Stamp for Frozen. Since kakakain ko lang, we'll start with yung It's a Small World. Tapos, pa-atras tayo. Papunta tayo kay Frozen. My gosh, hindi siya naka-record. Sad. But anyway, I already got the stamp for It's a Small World. Ito na. And it's my first time. Oh, yeah.
And legs inside.
Pwede dito low budget tayo.
大家在座位上。
Up next. Yun. Hindi ko makita. Ngayon, diretso naman tayo kay Frozen. Look! Let's see kung ano ang meron. Oh, I like the gold one. Okay, I like this one. Pero ito kasi is gold. Yes, I'm gonna get the gold one. This is Ven. I got a gold one! Dapat naka-pink akong jacket. Pero dahil lintik yung init kanina, never mind. Ayun. Pupunta na tayo kay Elsa. Number 19. Last 3 na lang. Isa na lang sa main street. Then the rest with Tomorrowland na. Eto yung ride. Masaya to. Sige, tara. Wandering Oaks. Bili tayo ng fast pass because I cannot wait for 30 minutes for this. Walang hiya. Parang napasubo yata ako Sabi niya mas higit pa daw yung ride na to kumpara sa Grizzly Gulch. Let's see. Minsan na lang tayo nasa Disneyland. Minsan na lang tayo nasa Hong Kong. Nakabahan ako.
Am I right? I agree.
Yun na yun! Nag-expect ako bitin! Yun na yun! Saya! Pero sana naman dalawang round. Ngayon, ayan! Look! That's a character. Look at the view. Hi! Can you take a picture of me? This is for you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Dubai.
Yeah, I'm from Dubai.
Thank you very much.
Ay! Ito yung ito yung papadala ka ng mo. Hi, just this two. Ayun, hanap tayo ng pwesto kung saan ako pwedeng magsulat. Okay. 4:40 na. By 5 p.m. merong tayong parade na hahabulin. Punta na tayo ng... Oh shit, may 3 pa palang rides. Then, after kay Frozen, Tomorrowland. Frozen Ever After. Makikitabi tayo sa iba. Kasi mag-isa lang ako parang panglimahan yata dapat to. Ay, okay lang din. Harap naman pala. Nasaan ako dyan? Punta na tayo sa Tomorrowland. That'll be my last 3 stops. Ayan sila ulit Okay, so ngayon, tawid tayo ng Tomorrowland. Oh, is there a stamp? Oh, the stamp is here. Perfect. Let's puntahan na natin si Iron Man. Then, Ant-Man, and Wasp. So, medyo naliligaw na tayo. Ooh, found it. And we got it. Alam ko ito yung yung may pa-picture sa kanya Ay, hindi. Ito yung kay Jarvis.
对，飞行途中请找。
The launch door has malfunctioned.
唔好意思。喺回復成功。
Just to be clear, this is not part of the tour. Jarvis, blast him!
Naman tayo sa Ant-Man and Wasp Nano Battle para rin sa last na stamp natin. Eto na yung babaril-baril tayo.
Hundreds of petabytes of files. Split fiction color.
We'll have a picture with the strongest Avenger. Kitain natin ulit si Iron Man since last naman na yung stamp na kukunin natin sa Main Street, yung pabalik na yan. Pilaan rin natin.
When the door in front of you opens, you will have the opportunity to see some of Mr. Stark's top secret new armor development.
Hi, please.
Welcome.
Sorry, I just now classified that.
Bye! Usla! Alright, so now, we're gonna have to make a move to go na sa Main Street kasi Momentos is gonna start in like 2 hours. Oh my gosh! Stitch! Finished! Hindi na tayo umabot. Hindi na tayo umabot kay Stitch. Anyway, I'll have a photo with you 6 years ago. Okay lang, at least meron tayong picture with Tony. Punta na tayo ng Main Street for the last stamp. And then we're gonna get the 20th year medallion. Basically yung price for completing the entire thing. Ganda dito. Mama Mo Blue. Oof, picture na natin yung castle. Ang ganda. Ito yung magsusnow. Pwedeng wala ako dito. We're gonna go sa curiosity shop at the Emporium. And then, I'm gonna try to move as fast as I can. Ito na yung mag-i-snow. Main Street Jewelers. Ito yata yung Pandora. Hindi tayo papasok dyan kasi masakit. Ang mahal! Collect stamp at the curiosity shop. Excuse me. Last stamp. Let's go. Yay! We got the last stamp. Now, we gotta go back to this one. Thank you. Hello. Hey, we got it! Ang pinagpaguran natin whole day, the medallion. Dito na tayo mag-aantay. Itataas na lang natin yung tripod later. Nakakapagod, pero at least nakuha natin yung medallion kapag rides tayo. Tingin tayo ng magnet at least. Gusto ko ng magnet. Anong magnet? Ayun. New magic. Sweatshirt lang. It's snowing! Tayo sa may blower mismo. Gastusin natin yung 300 Hong Kong dollars ko. Ito, may nakuha tayo fridge magnet. Pero parang mas cute to. Gusto ko to. Natin. Pag may mas maganda pa dito, papalitan natin siya. Otherwise, we'll stick with this one kasi nakasulat mismo yung Hong Kong Disneyland. Tsaka pahaba siya. Ngayon, yung tira nating Hong Kong dollars sa food na lang sa airport. At yun yung kukunin natin, yung kanilang frozen lollies. So, dapat din ako kukuha. Pero kasi, Bukod sa kailangan ko ng konti pang energy para umabot ako sa Hong Kong airport. Sayang din naman kasi coupon kung di natin magagamit. Tapos pagdating natin ng airport, kuha tayo ng, hanap tayo ng mga wonton noodles. The chocolate one.
Chocolate.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Thank you.
Hello, hello. 美在那里。
Anyway, tipirin muna natin yung battery. Hindi na kinaya ng Disney Princess. Umupo na lang ako dito sa gilid. Pagod na ako. Kanina pa ako natutulala. Anyway, last naman daw. Parang 30 minutes na lang. Magmo-momentos na. Tapos, yun na. Kukunin na lang yung bag and then gora na ako sa airport. It was a very, very well-spent day. It turned out actually way better than I expected. Wala na akong energy para lumakad-lakad. Naikot ko naman na rin yung buong park and nagawa ko naman na yung mga agenda ko. We are down to the last 10 minutes. Ayan na, nag-a-announce na. Is our wrap. We're wrapping up my
as you depart
Disneyland
use our wig and your
adventure
loved
today.
ones.
In lang muna tayo. Baka meron naman tayong kayang bilhin dito. Okay, so ngayon, kunin na natin ang aking So, tara na. Ang dami kong bitbit. So, ayan. Muntik. Para tayong aakyat ng bundok. Okay, kisuyo tayo. Excuse me. Hi, can you take a picture of me, please? Just one, please. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Bye, Disneyland. I'll see you again soon. So, ibig sabihin, doon na naman ako bababa. See, Disneyland. I'll be coming back for you soon. Or maybe I'll visit another Disneyland soon. I book, where do I go? Do I go to that side? It says here just taxi pickup spot.
You go to the rear.
This one. Thank you. We're back from Hong Kong Disneyland. What we're gonna do now is to find somewhere to hopefully take a shower. 'Cause ayan tayo. ngayon, punta tayo ng saan ba ang departure? Punta tayo ng gates 1 to 36. Ito yung hinahanap kong klaseng food kanina.